In this video, I'm going to show you the best free alternative to Adobe Photoshop, photop.com. Now we will open up our image. Next, we are going to compare the patch tool with that from Adobe Photoshop. The patch tool is a very common tool used for retouching and for object removal. As you can see, the patch tool in Photop works very well. Now for the sake of comparison, I'm going to show you the same thing, only now I am using the patch tool in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, it works virtually identically to the way that it works in Photop. Next, we are going to compare the brightness and contrast tools. Brightness and contrast are two of the most common things to be adjusted in the photo editing process. Photop makes this a breeze. Now we will do the same thing in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, the process is virtually identical. The interface even looks virtually the same. Next, we are going to take a look at the Quick Selection tool. The Quick Selection tool is used to select objects from within a picture. We just made our selection in Photop. Now we will do the same thing in Adobe Photoshop so you can see just how similar they really are. As you can see, they work virtually identically. Photop has done a great job of imitating the Quick Select tool. Lastly, we're going to take a look at the brush tool and the type tool in Photop. The brush tool works very much like an enhanced version of Microsoft Paint. With the brush tool, you can control things such as your choice in color, the size of the brush, the hardness of the brush. The brush tool works virtually identical to Adobe Photoshop. Lastly, we will take a look at the type tool. This is used to add text to your images. You then have the option to change your font and the size of the text. As you can see, for many people, Photop would be a viable alternative to Adobe Photoshop. While it does not have 100% of the functions, it has at least 90+%, and for many people that will be more than enough for their needs. The layout is also very similar to that of Photoshop, so anybody that has used Photoshop previously would feel right at home using Photop. If you got value out of this video, please consider dropping a like.